Greetings. I'm Enola Aird, founder and elder griot of Community Healing Network, which is attacking the root cause of anti-Black racism. Did you know that neuroscientists at Emory and Harvard recently released the results of a study showing that the everyday burden of racism put certain parts of our brains into continual overdrive? They concluded, and I quote, that this is linked with accelerated biological aging, which can make Black people vulnerable to health problems and early death. Anti-Black racism, as we all know, continues to wreak havoc in our lives. And Community Healing Network is the only organization focused exclusively on building the global grassroots movement for freedom from the root cause of anti-Blackness, the lie of white superiority and Black inferiority. That centuries-old lie is at the heart of the distinct challenges we face as Black people all over this world. And since 2006, CHN has been developing a range of innovative strategies to help us free ourselves from that lie once and for all. CHN's work has been recognized by the MacArthur Foundation through a 2021 Equitable Recovery Grant, by the W.K. Kellogg Foundation through a series of grants to advance racial equity, and by a growing number of individual contributors. And we are deeply grateful for these wonderful supporters. And now, thanks to the generosity of an anonymous donor, an endowment fund has been established to help support CHN in perpetuity at the Community Foundation for Greater New Haven. I am deeply moved that the donor has named the fund after me, and I'm delighted to invite you to contribute to the Enola Aird Endowment Fund during this year's Great Give. The Great Give is a 36-hour online community-wide giving event to support nonprofits in the Greater New Haven area, where CHN was founded 18 years ago. The Great Give will run from May 1st through May 2nd, and CHN's goal is to raise at least $15,000 to break yet another fundraising record for the organization. Please join me in investing in CHN's crucial work by making a contribution and/or becoming a peer-to-peer fundraiser by visiting the links on your screen. Join us on May 1st through May 2nd to help CHN continue to build the movement for freedom from the lie, to clear the path to a beautiful, beautiful Black future. Our children and our ancestors are waiting